In addition, there are 2 non-appointed parking spaces that can substantially increase your monthly income by renting out parking spaces to government employees. Lots of upgrades, new membrane roof recently installed, new windows and new siding. In addition, photos show only 2 apartments, photos taken just prior to new tenants for August 1st. The third apartment is occupied and the tenant didn't want photos taken. In addition, there are 2 non-appointed parking spaces that can substantially increase your monthly income by renting out parking spaces to government employees. Lots of upgrades, new membrane roof recently installed, new windows and new siding. In addition, photos show only 2 apartments, photos taken just prior to new tenants for August 1st. The third apartment is occupied and the tenant didn't want photos taken.